Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Senor. Hey everybody. So I'm gonna try to do vloggy stuff. And I don't have a my vlog camera. I feel like a rite of passage just happened, but also I feel sad and unprepared and I'm trying to run away from all these things in my life, but my camera just died. That's the first time it's happened to me. So now I proceeded to charge it and I realized that I don't have a charger for this camera. This is Colby. She's 7. How old are you? Hey! She's 7, I think. I picked her up at the greatest place on earth, Walmart. She was free. She still is. This is the Spotlight Stealer. Dottie. Okay, did you know that when a dog's tails wag, that doesn't always mean they're excited? So every time I say something to her and her tail wags, I feel like I'm not sure what she's feeling. And this is my little marshmallow right here. He's just a marshmallow. Oh, Dottie is 3. Can you hold up 3? Good girl. Simon is 4 or 5. We don't know. I'm sorry. This is hard. This could fall in my toilet. You know when you think you're funny, but you just don't know? I mean, am I a social experiment for myself? I don't know. Anyway, BBT. Get on Spotify. I have been listening to a lot of Maggie Rogers. She's so good. She's one of those artists that is just undeniably like talented, and I don't know how to explain it. This wag shit is so scary. I don't know what's happening. It's like I don't know. I try to get like so many walks and they all like keep getting taken. I'm gonna get ready anyway. You never know. I don't wear a lot of makeup. My skin is really sensitive to, I'm not quite sure what, but it seems like everything, so I just don't put a whole lot on. I usually fix my hair down and then about 30 minutes later I put it up, so. My hair is just one of those things, it's different. I'm trying to learn to love it. It's messy. And so dramatic. This is like 7 hours later. I did stuff. I'm gonna put in clips. It's about to be a cat fight. my camera fell. And it was scary. It survived and I like caught it. It scared my dog so bad. I'm about to go to the gym. Okay, so bye.
Huh?
They are magical. My mom got this for me. Would you be embarrassed if I took this to the gym with us?
No.
Oh,
Alright.
Did it. This week on Self-Care Diaries, I will discuss nothing because self-care. I've been trying to think of something really exciting to do for this that I could do at home, and this just seemed like the best idea. 24 carats. I'm rich. This is probably going to destroy my face, as I mentioned earlier. Oh shit, this does not even look that gold. Wait. It looks kind of strange. Something's not right. I'll be honest with you, I have been saving this because it was gold, and it shows. This doesn't smell good. I don't know. My dog is always so scared of me. I feel like I actually look kind of good with this on. See, I look pretty good. Today, when I was doing all this vlogging, I just realized it is so strange to film yourself. I mean, and people do this all the time. It's crazy. I'm an average human, a very average human being. This is weird. I don't think anybody tells you that. It's weird. But it's what the people want, right? We're all just pawns. I got like really conspiracy theory thinking about it today and messed me up for a couple hours. I won't share, but if you want to know, just we can talk, we can chat, leave your, I don't know why I'm doing, making all these motions. Just to make it more amusing? I'm over it. Oh, what is on my face? Oh my god. Direction 3 says turn off the phone and close your eyes for 20 minutes and daydream about being a queen. I am not kidding. I didn't do that. Oh. That's why you always gotta read the directions. So I'm just gonna chillax and continue to enjoy my evening.
First I was afraid, I was petrified.
What the fuck was that? Oh my god, what is happening? Oh my god, my back door just got sucked open. It's the scariest thing in my life. Is my cat out here? Where is your brother? Simon! Oh my god! What are you doing in there? Seriously, that was so scary. Bye. Guess what? I got a charger. You know what that means.